Meet the all-new Vivo V60. It's Vivo's new mid-ranger preceding the V50, priced at only 59,000 Kenyan shillings, and it's the perfect smartphone for anybody looking for a powerful device with a premium design and top-tier photography thanks to Zeiss. That being said, let's jump right into the actual review. Right out of the box, the V60 feels and looks like a flagship smartphone. It's slim, has curved edges and a premium finish. It also has a pill-shaped Zeiss camera module at the back that looks pretty classy. For the display, it features a massive 6.77-inch quad-curved AMOLED display that's absolutely gorgeous. It features a billion colors, HDR10 Plus support, a silky 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness. And on top of all of this, it's IP68-69 rated, meaning it not only looks good, but it's also extremely durable. Next, let's talk about the performance. Under the hood, you're getting Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. That means smooth gaming, multitasking, and blazing fast app launches. It runs on Android 15 alongside FantaChoice 15, but here's the kicker. Vivo promised up to 4 years of major Android upgrades, so you're sorted up to Android 19. Now, let's talk about the best bit about the V60, and that's the cameras. You're getting a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 3 times optical zoom and up to 1000 digital zoom. You also get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. They are all Zeiss tuned with that iconic aura ring light. Portraits are stunning, zoom shots are crisp, and colors pop with natural vibrance. On the front, you get a 50-megapixel autofocus selfie camera that shoots not just photos but also 4K video, which is perfect for vloggers and creators. And then there's the battery, a massive 6000 mAh powerhouse that supports 90 watts fast charging, reverse wire charging, and even bypass charging for gamers. Despite the large battery size, the phone remains slim and lightweight, measuring only 7.75 millimeters and around 200 grams. In regards to connectivity, it's also pretty stacked. You get Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, dual SIM 5G support, and even an infrared port. The speakers also deliver punchy audio, and the in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and reliable. So, should you get the Vivo V60? Well, if you're looking for a powerful smartphone that has an amazing design, powerful cameras, and a long-lasting battery, then yes. At just 59,000 Kenyan shillings, it's arguably the best all-rounded smartphone in Kenya right now. That's about it for this review. Down in the comment section, tell me what you think about the Vivo V60, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more reviews like this. Cheers.